In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show element timing in Canva. If you're working on a design with motion, like a video, a presentation with animated elements, or a social post that plays over time, knowing exactly when an element appears and disappears can make a huge difference in how polished your project feels. Element timing lets you control the visibility of any item on your canvas so it shows up at the right moment and for the right length. Start by opening your project. This can be any design that supports timing, such as a video or animated presentation. Once you're in, click to select the element you want to control. This could be text, a photo, a graphic, or even a sticker, anything that you want to time precisely. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it on your canvas. Next, right-click the selected element. From the menu that appears, choose Show Element Timing. This tells Canva to reveal the timing controls for that specific element, and it's the quickest way to jump straight into its duration settings without hunting around the interface. After you do that, look toward the bottom of your screen. You'll see a timeline area for your page. The element you selected will appear as a bar on the timeline, representing how long that element persists on screen. Think of this bar as a visual map of its on-screen life, where it starts, how long it stays visible, and when it ends. If the page itself has a set duration, the element can only exist within that window. To adjust the timing, click and drag the handles on either end of the element's bar. Pull the left handle to change when it first appears, and drag the right handle to decide when it fades out or disappears. As you move these handles, you're setting the exact in and out points. This is helpful for syncing text with a voiceover, aligning graphics with a beat, or staggering elements so they don't clutter the screen all at once. A quick tip: if you're aligning multiple elements, repeat the same process for each one. Keeping their bars organized will make your project feel intentional and easy to follow. Also, remember that you're only changing when the element is visible, not the total length of the page, so your overall project timing remains intact. And that's it. By selecting the element, choosing Show Element Timing, and dragging the handles at the bottom, you get precise control over when each element appears and disappears.